This video will show you how to easily create self-print checks in Docyt. Log into your Docyt account and click on Accounts Payable on your dashboard. Your invoice must be in the Ready to Pay status in order to create a self-print check in Docyt. If your invoice is not in the Ready to Pay status, please verify or approve the invoice before proceeding. Now click on the drop-down menu of the invoice you wish to pay. Select Pay by Docyt Check. Select the three dots on the right upper corner and then choose Self-Print Check. Confirm the payee, amount, and address. Now click on the blue Generate Check button. A secret code will be sent to your email address. Please don't close the window. Check your email for the code. Enter the code into the security code field and click on the blue Generate Payment button. Your check will automatically download. Check your download folder for the .pdf file. Make sure you have blank check stock in your printer. Open the file and select Print.